Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks but also think, learn, and adapt. Welcome to the exciting realm of artificial intelligence and automation. It's a universe where technology simulates the complexity of human intellect, where machines replicate our ability to reason, learn, and problem solve. This is the essence of artificial intelligence, or AI as it is commonly known. AI is not a single technology, but rather a collection of technologies that are applied in a wide range of industries, from natural language generation, which converts structured data into human language, to speech recognition that transforms our spoken words into a format computers can understand. Virtual agents like your friendly voice-activated assistant are just one example of AI interacting with humans, assisting with tasks, and making our lives easier. In parallel, we have automation, a process that takes over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Think of robotic process automation, or RPA. It's like having a tireless, error-free digital workforce, capable of performing mundane tasks without ever needing a coffee break. And then there's the magic that happens when AI and automation join forces. Decision management systems, for instance, use AI to analyze data and make decisions, automating complex processes that would otherwise require human intervention. Peer-to-peer networks facilitate data sharing, creating an interconnected world where information flows freely and efficiently. The development of AI and automation is constant, and their applications are becoming increasingly prominent in our daily lives. From the smartphone in your pocket to the future self-driving cars, these technologies are not just concepts of a future world. They're already here, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Thus, AI and automation are not just concepts of the future. They're already here, revolutionizing the world as we know it. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive deeper into the practical applications of this dynamic duo. Artificial intelligence, or AI, simulates human intelligence processes, and it's doing so with increasing sophistication. One of its many applications is simulation, where AI systems are trained to mimic real-world situations. This allows us to predict outcomes, understand complex systems, and even train other AI systems. Then we have natural language processing, where AI is designed to comprehend and interact with human language. This technology powers your digital assistants, your chatbots, and even your email spam filters. It's understanding you, responding to you, and constantly learning from you. Speech recognition is another fascinating application of AI. It's converting your spoken words into a format that machines understand. It's why you can ask your smartphone to set an alarm, or dictate a message to a friend. It's listening, and it's understanding. Let's not forget robotics. AI is the brain behind the machines, enabling them to perform complex tasks, learn from their environment, and even make decisions. From manufacturing to healthcare, robotics powered by AI is changing the face of many industries. Now let's bring automation into the picture. One of its key uses is in robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA uses software bots to automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and freeing up human workers for more complex tasks. It's the tireless worker, always on, always accurate. And then there's peer-to-peer networks, a form of automation that facilitates data sharing. It's the technology behind blockchain, file-sharing platforms, and even some forms of online gaming. It's connecting us, enabling us to share, collaborate, and innovate. These practical applications demonstrate the transformative power of AI and automation in our daily lives. From the smartphone in your pocket to the car that drives you home, this dynamic duo is reshaping the world as we know it, one application at a time. Before we proceed, a quick reminder. Let's pause for a moment to ensure that you're getting the most out of TechBytes. By pressing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell, you're not just supporting us, but you're also becoming an integral part of our TechBytes family. Your support allows us to continue producing high-quality content, bringing you the latest insights into the compelling world of AI and automation. It's more than just a click, it's your way of saying, yes, I want to stay informed, yes, I want to be a part of this technological revolution, and we can't thank you enough for that. So go ahead, click that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for your support. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. So, what does the future hold for this dynamic duo? The future of artificial intelligence and automation is as intriguing as it is promising. One might even say it's captivatingly complex, with an exhilarating mix of opportunities and challenges. Let's first take a glance at the potential developments. As we move ahead, we can expect to see further advancements in the realms of deep learning and machine learning, two powerful branches of AI. These technologies are teaching machines to learn, understand, and make sense of vast amounts of data, revolutionizing the way we analyze information. Now imagine a world where machines not only understand data, but also communicate like us, using natural language. The future of AI could very well hold this possibility, with the further development of natural language generation and speech recognition. These technologies are set to transform our interactions with machines, making them more intuitive and, dare I say, more human-like. But the AI revolution doesn't end there. With the increasing demand for AI software, we're also witnessing the rise of AI-optimized hardware. This hardware is designed specifically to support the complex computations required by AI technologies, boosting their efficiency and performance. However, every revolution faces its own set of challenges. While AI and automation promise a world of possibilities, they also bring questions around ethics, privacy, and job security. Addressing these issues requires a careful balance of innovation and regulation. On the flip side, solutions are already emerging. For instance, robotic process automation, or RPA, is automating repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex and creative endeavors. Similarly, peer-to-peer networks are facilitating data sharing, addressing concerns around data ownership and privacy. In essence, the future of AI and automation is a fascinating blend of promise and complexity. We're on the brink of a new era, one where machines could potentially match human intelligence and even exceed it in specific domains. The future of AI and automation looks bright and holds limitless potential. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the exciting future of technology. A future where artificial intelligence and automation are not just concepts but integral parts of our daily lives. A future where these technologies are no longer seen as threats, but as allies, helping us navigate the complexities of our world. Let's envision a world where AI can convert structured data into human language, making complex information accessible to everyone. A world where speech recognition converts our words into a format understandable by computers, bridging the gap between humans and machines. Imagine virtual agents interacting with us, assisting us in our tasks, making our lives more efficient and freeing up our time for creativity and innovation. Picture decision management systems, aiding in data analysis and decision-making, enabling businesses to operate at peak efficiency. Peer-to-peer networks facilitating data sharing, breaking down barriers and fostering global collaboration. Robotic process automation taking over repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on tasks that require human touch and emotion. Now imagine deep learning and machine learning teaching machines to make sense of data, leading to breakthroughs in every field imaginable, from healthcare to education, from finance to entertainment. AI-optimized hardware becoming commonplace, powering our devices and making our lives simpler, smarter, and more connected. This is not just a dream, but a reality we are steadily moving towards. Every day, we are making strides in making this vision a reality, revolutionizing industries and improving our daily lives. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Together we can shape a future where technology enhances human life, not replaces it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dynamic world of AI and automation. Don't forget to subscribe to TechBytes for more exciting content. Stay curious, stay informed.